All right, let's have a look at now slightly different expansion. So how is this different to what we were just doing before? Well, as you can see, there's no add or take in between the brackets here, which tells us that that's actually a multiply, okay? So we need to multiply these. How do we do that? Well, glad you asked. We need to times everything in one bracket by everything in the other bracket, okay? So that means we've got x times x, and then we're going to say x times the 5. But we're not done there because we've times everything in this second bracket by the x. Now we need to times everything in that second bracket by the 2. Right? So x times x, if we do the top brackets, we get x squared. And x times 5, 5x. Underneath now, 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 5 is 10. We need to check. Are there any like terms? Of course there are, right? There's only one x squared, but you can see we've got a 5x and another 2x, which makes 7x. Okay, and this is all we have to do over and over again, and we just practice. So it's really going to help you with your times tables, and of course, adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, which I think we do need a little bit of help and practice with. So let's have a look at B. Got x plus 4 times x take 6. Okay, so once again, x times everything in the second bracket. So x times x is x squared. Now, look in front of x, it's positive, right? So positive times a negative. That gives you a negative answer. Positive and a negative is a negative. So x times 6, 6x is how we write that. Now we have to multiply everything by 4. So 4 times x, 4x. And again, 4 times the 6, but we've got a positive, once again, times this negative. A positive and a negative is a negative. 6 4s are 24. It's that time again, gather your like terms. So we've got x squared. Now you have to concentrate, add your positives and negatives. So I've got negative 6 plus 4. So negative 6 degrees, but then it increases by 4. So that's minus 2. If you need to use a number line, go for it, or check with your calculator. Okay? A lot of students like to think money as well. You owe $6, then you pay off 4. You still owe $2. We'll just do this last one, and then you have to try and see if you can do the rest by yourself. Okay? So, and you must write the question down and show all of your working, please. So here we go. Same process as before. It does not change. Love the consistency. X times x is x squared. X times 7, 7x. So we're looking at the signs in front, right? And here we've got a negative 3 times positive x. So negative times a positive is a negative. And once again, negative times a positive is a negative. And 3 7s, what are they? I can hear you, 21. Gather your like terms. What's 7? Look in front. Positive 7, take 3. So 7 take 3. Last time I checked, that was 4. Take 21. We're done here. So you're going to need to finish question 2, 3, work your way, check your answers as you go.